Hey guys, welcome you back to my channel that is Study Matters and to a new study vlog. So today's video is going to be a combination of study with me and a month before examination. So stay tuned till the end. So guys, my exams are coming up and I have got less than a month to prepare. So for that I need to precisely plan out my day and I have to sit and study for more than 8 hours a day. So I thought to vlog my whole study routine during this month before examination. Actually I have vlogged just one day, but I'll be following the same routine throughout the month. So yes. Now, if you have seen my morning routine video, I have already linked that video in the description box below. Then you might know this thing that my study routine will be incomplete without lots of exercise and with good healthy food. So before I start my study routine, I do exercise a lot in the morning because after workout session I really feel full of energy and my mood gets boosted up because the endorphin released. And yes, I do keep frequently changing out my workout patterns. Like before I used to cycle a lot, but nowadays I have started walking a lot and running a lot. So yeah, you should frequently keep changing your workout pattern, so it really motivates you to regularly get up in the morning and do your workout sessions. So as you know that after exercise I have lukewarm water, but recently I have started adding some fenugreek seeds to it as it has remarkable property to maintain insulin level in your body, and also it has property to destroy free radicals in our body, which will uplift your skin and reduce the wrinkles and dark spots on your skin. And I also add some mint leaves to it to get the refreshing start to the day. So now I was really running out of time and didn't have time to take my breakfast, so just grabbed some dry fruits and dates and started my day with meditation. Also I've added one more activity or hobby to my regular routine or to my study routine, and that is meditation. So I practice meditation and pranayam for almost 15 to 20 minutes a day. Now there are different types of meditation, but over here I'm practicing chanting type of meditation in which I am chanting Mrityunjaya Jap, which actually gives me a positive energy to start my day with. And by doing meditation it actually helps you to calm yourself. You get a control over your breath and also help you to focus more on your work. So I will suggest you all to do meditation at least for 15 minutes a day. It will really enhance your focus. As your focus gets increased, you will definitely study more and ultimately it will help you to get good marks. And then finally my study routine starts with writing down my to-do list. After that, as I told, I need to prepare a new timetable for myself and study according to it. So that's me updating my calendar, updating my study timetable. So if you want to know the easiest way of planning your study routine, then let me know in the comment box below. I will definitely make a video on it. Do comment on it. After that, I started studying for my upcoming class test. Like it was not confirmed yet that my class test will be there or not, but still I just thought that it would be a really good revision sort of thing if I study right now. So I started revising from my own taken notes. So if you want to know that how do I take my notes, then I have already prepared a video on it and linked it in the description box below. So do check it out once and let me know whether you like the tips followed by me to prepare your own notes. Between these self-study sessions, my online lectures also take place, but actually I forgot to record my online lectures. So definitely next time I am going to record my online lectures and also going to record how do I take notes while my online lectures are going on. And also before I had recorded my online lectures and inserted that clip in my morning routine. So go ahead and watch that morning routine so you can get an idea how do I take notes during my online lectures. Till then I was quite exhausted and had a craving of having something really rich in water and fresh. So thought to have this lovely fruit plate. This actually fulfilled my craving and reboosted up my energy to restart my studies. So I'll be revising the same subject for a few more minutes and then start reading textbook of another subject. So as I had a time limit, it was really very difficult to manage my time and didn't have time to prepare self notes. So just thought to highlight some important point of the text. So whenever I get time to prepare my notes, I will definitely concentrate more on these points. Also guys, let me know how do you prepare for your examination. Like, do you refer your self-prepared notes or do you refer the points given by your professor or do you refer any kind of reference book? Let me know by commenting it in the comment box below. Over here I had drawn few diagrams while my online lecture and I'm just rechecking it with the textual content right now. So I think that the easiest way to study or to learn anything is from the diagrams itself, because it gives you a lot more information and it gets easy to understand and learn new things. And then after I didn't at all had moved to study any of my academic subject and also need to prepare for my IELTS examination, as I was not at all prepared for it. I need to learn a lot many new things. I need to develop my grammar skills and all things related to English language. So yeah, I'm solving few papers, I'm solving few exercises from that book. And while solving these exercises, I record my time, and each time I solve it, I try to improve my speed to solve these exercises. And again, it was a snack break time. So me and my brother had this makhanas. As you might know, makhanas have amazing health benefits, like it is low in cholesterol, easy to digest, and also improves your heart health, and most important, promotes weight loss. And here is the most difficult ever part of my study routine, is to tell my brother to sit to study, or rather to teach him few concepts related to science. So as his final exams were also there, and he also had less than a month for preparation, so first of all we had prepared his study timetable. Then further I went on to teach him few basic concepts related to organic chemistry. So if you are new to my channel or don't know that I also prepare content related to biology, till now I have prepared content related to basic concept of DNA, chromosome, structure and working function of heart. So if you are a biology student or want to learn few concepts related to biology, then I have already linked those videos in description box below. So go ahead and watch it out. Also guys, please let me know what all kind of content you want me to post next, like what all videos you want me to post next related to study. So please do comment in the comment box below. So the next new habit that I have developed to maintain consistency in each work that I do, so that habit is to track my all activities on regular basis, and for that I have prepared this March tracker. Many of them call it as habit tracker, but this is month of March, so I have specifically prepared this habit tracker for month of March, and soon I will be uploading video on many different ideas related to how you can prepare different layouts for habit tracker for yourself. So stay tuned for that video and for more new videos related to study. So if you have liked my video, don't ever forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in my next video. Till then you can watch all the videos shown on your screen. Bye bye.